Let Json object accept bytes or let Urlopen output strings. With Python 3, I am requesting a JSON document from a URL. The response object is a file-like object with read and readline methods. Normally a JSON object can be created with a file opened in text mode. What I would like to do is this, however, does not work as Urlopen returns a file object in binary mode. A workaround is, of course, but this feels bad. Is there a better way that I can transform a bytes file object to a string file object? Or am I missing any parameters for either Urlopen or json.load to give an encoding?
HTTP sends bytes. If the resource in question is text, the character encoding is normally specified either by the content type HTTP header or by another mechanism, an RFC, HTML meta HTTP equiv. Urlopen should know how to encode the bytes to a string, but it's too naive. It's a horribly underpowered and unpythonic library. Dive into Python 3 provides an overview about the situation. Your workaround is fine, although it feels wrong. It's the correct way to do it.
Python's wonderful standard library to the rescue. Works with both py2 and py3. Docs, Python 2, Python 3.
I have come to opinion that the question is the best answer, smiley face.
For anyone else trying to solve this using the requests library.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.